So, hi everyone again. I hope you are all safe and sound and you are enjoying your quarantine. In today's video, we are going to see some common idioms or idiomatic expressions that are used by native speakers of English or by learners of English language. And the first thing that we are going to start with is a short definition of the term idiom. Let us first see this example. If you say someone has cold feet, it doesn't mean their toes are actually cold. Rather, it means they're nervous about something. As you can see here, we have cold feet. Two words. So, idioms or idiomatic expressions are words or phrases that aren't meant to be taken literally. So now we are going to see a couple of idioms. I'm going to provide the idiom, the definition of that idiom, and an example is given too. So the first one, water under the fridge. This idiom is used to refer to something from the past that is no longer important. For example, what is done, and there is nothing we can do about it. It's all water under the bridge now. The second idiom, a piece of cake. Something that is a piece of cake is very easy to do. Some students might say the exam was a piece of cake. Number 3, let the cat out of the bag or out of a bag. To reveal a secret or to tell someone about a secret. For example, we are throwing a party for Sarah tonight, but don't let the cat out of the bag. It's supposed to be a surprise. Number 4, hit the nail on the head. It means to describe something perfectly. I think you really hit the nail on the head when you said that what we are lacking is confidence and motivation. The fifth idiom, you can't judge a book by its cover, means you can't tell what is someone like from their appearance. She seems like a cold and hard person, but she is very warm and nice. You can't judge a book by its cover. A book, a missing A is there. Number 6, don't bite off more than you can chew. Don't try to do more than you can do. For example, I think I bit off more than I could chew when I agreed to paint this house by myself. Number 7, you scratch my back and I'll scratch yours. Means to do me a favor and I will do you a favor in return. For example, if you lend me the money now, I'll use my contacts to help you get the job you want. You scratch my back and I'll scratch yours. Number 8, add insult to injury. Means to make a bad situation worse by doing something as bad. For example, she arrived an hour late for the dinner party, then just to add insult to injury, she complained about the food. Number 9, once in a blue moon. Very rarely, not very often. With 3 kids to look after, I only get to go out once in a blue moon. Number 10, see eye to eye means if two people see eye to eye, they agree on things and see things the same way. It means that they have the same opinion about something or the same vision about the same thing. For example, sometimes we fight, but we generally see eye to eye on most things. 11, to kill 2 birds with one stone means to manage to do 2 things at the same time. During the trip to Marrakesh, I met with my old friends and went to my brother's wedding. I managed to kill two birds with one stone. 12. Cut corners means to do something the easiest, quickest, or cheapest way. For example, I won't cut corners just to save money. I put quality first. 13. The last straw. The last problem is in a series of problems. She's always been rude to me, but it was the last straw when she started insulting my mother. Number 14. Take what someone said with a pinch of salt. Means you don't take something very seriously because you don't believe it. I take everything she says with a pinch of salt. She often tells lies. Number 15. Sit on the fence. If someone is sitting on the fence, they don't take sides in arguments or they avoid making decisions. For example, I don't think you can sit on the fence about this problem. You have to tell us what you think. 16. The best of both worlds means to take all the advantages of two different situations. For example, she wants to keep her manager's salary, but she doesn't want to take any of the responsibilities. She wants the best of both worlds, but that is not possible. Number 17. Pull the wool over someone's eyes simply means to try to trick someone. Don't try, this is an example. Don't try to pull the wool over her eyes. She's too smart. Number 18. Speak of the devil or talk of the devil means, or this is something we say when the person we're talking about appears. This is a dialogue in which this idiom is used. Mark, I heard Anne was going to go to Canada for a year. Mary, speak of the devil. That is Anne over there. Mark, hi Anne, we were just talking about you. 19. To give someone the cold shoulder. Or to give someone the cold shoulder. To ignore someone or to behave unfriendly without any reason. I wanted to talk with Jessica, but she was giving me a cold shoulder. What's going with her? 20. A lot on a plate means to have a lot of work to do and to be very busy. I don't think I will be able to go to the party this Friday because I have got a lot on my plate now. And this is the last idiom. Break a leg means wishing someone good luck. It's time for the exam. Break a leg, everyone. So this is the video of today. I hope you enjoyed watching the video and take care. Good luck.